how to buy 14th of Elon token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. As you can see, this token is available on Dick Screener. It created 7 hours ago and increased by 58,000% in less than 4 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 98%, that's mean your investment in the safe place. And this token is ranked number 2 in the Ethereum section. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your Bitget wallet. For that, go to your wallet and select the Ethereum as a network. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and try to find your token that you just added called 14th of Elon. So after you find it, what you need to do, click on it. Now click here on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have an USDT, of course, on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see here. And after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy 14th of Elon token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.